Chinagozi here. Welcome back to the channel. It feels like forever since my last video. If you haven't seen it, please go watch it. I raced a Ferrari F8 Tributo and a 488 stroker motor Trans Am. For the Trans Am, so the car has been doing this thing since I bought it, where when I redline second gear, the clutch pedal loses pressure, drops to the floor, and third is hard to get into, and then fourth is sometimes impossible. So for the Trans Am, I was like, I'm not gonna prep, so no burnout, nothing like that, you know, just in case. And I instantly regretted it because when I say he smoked my shit, yeah, he smoked me. So I went back out there the next weekend to run a EVO 8. Did the whole shebang, did the prep, did the burnout, and pretty much my clutch gave out. So I redlined first, and I was doing like 22 miles an hour, and I knew something wasn't right. And then I smoked it, obviously, and I was like, oof. But I still went into second gear. I tried to stay in it, but I'm like, yeah, no, I'm done. I have put up here the screenshot of what your typical HP tuners tuning software home screen looks like. If you look to your left, circled in red, is your vehicle speed, SAE, and it's showing 21 miles per hour. And to the right of it, it shows RPM at pretty much 7,000. So even if I was spinning, it would still reflect that in vehicle wheel speed. So this just shows that I wasn't putting that power to the ground at all, and the clutch was just slipping. So it's time for a new clutch upgrade. Right now I am looking at the McLeod RXT twin disc along with a bigger cam and the highly high ram. The car isn't making enough top end for me. I'm still stuck at 568. I ended up installing a fast 102 and picked up like 30 in torque, and that was it. So here's the current setup. I only got the intake because it was full of steel, but it's been nothing but issues. The way that the fuel rail sits, it's too much height, too much play in the injectors, and I ended up having like injector O-ring leaks and whatever. So I had to get these clamps from Home Depot to better retain it, and it fixed it. But it's like, why go through all that? My brother mounted the Mickey Thompson ET Street R's in the rear, so I put his rear wheel in the front, and it looks pretty decent. But I'm taking it out because it's a 19 and it's definitely heavier and bigger. I don't like that. But his shit's looking faster already. He wants the full Hazen cam, E85, full bolt-ons package. You already know how that go. Yes, if you noticed, I did epoxy the garage floor. It came out looking pretty good. Wish it was more durable. My brother got stuck on the lip and ended up doing a burnout by accident. So, yep, Home Depot quality epoxy. We picked up a TR6060 for my brother's base model. That way he has that Z06 gearing, 40 first gear rows, 60 second gear rows. Get that sweet spot. Lowered the bike. She's looking mean. All right, you guys came here for the street action, for the street races. So let's get to it.
One, two, three.